In the whisper of the morning, wind, a gift from heaven, unseen but here, a grace given with gentle simplicity. A mother zen in every breeze, a vast ocean, every wave, a kiss, every tide, and embrace we her every smile, her warmth is a treasure. Words are not enough for it. The laughter of a very holy child, the song of an angel, pure in an innocent, patient love, a blessing, a light of longing in the night, full of stars and sun. Tears of joy, tears of joy and joy. God's gift of love in countless ways, evidence of the beauty of life is so sufficient in all Sodom. For you love each other. We are in grace, gift of God. The path to God is indescribable. It has no form, has nothing. Love is not a thing. Love is not binding. Love enters our lives the moment we are born. From height to emotion, there is love in everyone. Love burns like a candle. Sometimes it changes, but it never goes out. Even if love is real, it may not appear before your eyes. Love can leave you empty. Love can heal you. Love can make or break you. Love is in your soul. Love is in your heart. Love is your mind. Love does not discriminate. Love is always blind. Love is universal. Wherever you are, love has its own language. Love around you. There is so much love. You can't see it or touch it. But love is everywhere. Love is a powerful force, but very small. God's gift of love that we can all share. Maybe one day, the dark clouds will disperse. The veil of negativity will be drawn. The sun shall break through, and my eyes will see. I will look at the world around me. That is so astounding and beautiful. Clearly through the eyes of another, I will understand love, and my heart will be open, and my soul shall be free. What is the purpose of life but for this moment to welcome it in all truth. The gift God gave to humanity. How long have I waited for this moment to arrive manifested in spring glorious sky, and she will come in linen cloud pure and white, and the world will be filled with light in the garden of lovely flowers and meadows of green, and fill my heart with light. A joy not before felt, a beauty not before. These eyes see, and we will walk in peace. From land to the open sea. And as we embrace one another, the door will open into forever. And this moment of glory will last for eternity. When cast away our words, when we tear down the walls of isolation, destroy our idol of creation, set aside our differences, have nothing but respect and love for one another. In tandem, be the truth is here before us, if we are willing to see the loving hand from heaven in the beginning planted the seed. If we let it will bloom forever. Will it rise up into the spring eternal sky? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.